In the beer brewing process, the choice of equipment materials is crucial to the final product quality, safety, and service life. As a professional beer equipment manufacturer, Tiantai has always chosen 304 and 316L stainless steel as the preferred raw materials for its brewing equipment. These two types of stainless steel, due to their unique properties, have become the ideal choice for manufacturing high-quality beer equipment. Why are 304 and 316L stainless steel the best choice for beer equipment? This video will explore their advantages and importance in the manufacturing industry from multiple perspectives. 1. Corrosion resistance. During the beer brewing process, the composition of raw materials and environmental factors place high demands on the equipment. Whether it's high humidity, contact with acidic substances, or frequent cleaning and disinfection, beer equipment faces the challenge of corrosion. The unique corrosion resistance of 304 and 316L stainless steel ensures that beer equipment maintains good performance in harsh environments. 2. Durability. Beer production involves high temperatures, liquid flow, and frequent cleaning and sterilization. Equipment must possess sufficient strength and wear resistance to ensure long-term stable operation. 304 stainless steel has excellent tensile strength and impact resistance, able to withstand various pressures and mechanical actions during beer production, and is not prone to wear and damage. 316L stainless steel has a wide temperature range, able to withstand high-temperature steam and hot water cleaning operations, and is not prone to thermal deformation or cracking, reducing the frequency and cost of equipment maintenance. 3. Hygiene and ease of cleaning. Hygiene is a key factor in ensuring beer quality during brewing. The smooth surfaces of 304 and 316L stainless steel effectively prevent the adhesion of impurities and bacteria, reducing the difficulty of cleaning equipment, and improving the hygiene standards of beer production. 4. High temperature resistance. Beer brewing involves many high-temperature operations, such as boiling wort and yeast fermentation. Both 304 and 316L stainless steel can operate stably in high-temperature environments, ensuring that the equipment does not deform or malfunction during high-temperature operations. 5. Cost-effectiveness. Although 316L stainless steel is slightly more expensive than 304 stainless steel, its superior durability and corrosion resistance make it a cost-effective option in certain environments. Whether choosing 304 or 316L stainless steel, they can both ensure equipment quality while providing breweries with a high return on investment and cost-effectiveness. For any questions, please contact Tiantai.